Welcome back. Looking back at how we can make our apps better from the previous section, you remember the critical render path? You can see that there are two main bottlenecks for JavaScript. Right over here, number 3, and right over here, at number 8 and 4. One is to minimize DOM manipulation through JavaScript, and the other is JavaScript delivery, how we deliver our JavaScript to the front end. Now, in this section, as I said, we'll go over how to build a simple React app. With this diagram, things make sense, right? The better our delivery of JavaScript, well, the faster we're going to build the render tree. And we also want to be smart about how much re-rendering we're going to do, because anytime JavaScript changes something in the DOM, we have to go through the step again into the render tree, layout, and paint. So if we can solve these two bottlenecks with something like React, that's pretty good, right? And that's what we're going to do. We have React to really help us out with this cycle of rendering, layout, paint, and then modifying, rendering, layout, paint. We're also going to learn a little bit about Webpack, which help us with JavaScript delivery to optimize that. And then finally, we're going to talk about Redux and how Redux adds a little bit to React to allow us to improve, again, this process of change something, render tree, layout, paint, change something, render tree, layout, paint. So remember our challenge. Keiko Corp has the RoboFriends app, which has gotten bigger, and they want to add state management to it, which we can do through Redux, which we're going to talk about in the next video. But as with anything, as senior developers, we have to think about why we would want to learn Redux, why it might improve this process that we see previously, right over here. In the next video, we're going to talk about state management and understand why Redux might improve upon React. And often with applications, you'll see both of them being used because it really is a nice experience. By the end, you're going to be able to speak intelligently about all 3 of these technologies. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.